Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest ways I used to start making money when I started making money online. So right here, I'm going to show you the website I used to do my web design and everything. So all you have to do is to pay close attention to this video, because this is a video that you might be looking for, you have been looking for, on how to make money without actually spending money. So right here I already have the website, but I'm going to go from scratch and just type in canva.com. So canva.com is a website a lot of people use to make different things. You get to make different things, yes, to make different things. So different designs, logos, business cards, and all of that. So we're just going to click on Canva. It will automatically log in for me, but for you, you see where you're supposed to sign in. So this is Canva. So what I used to do is that I used to design logos and all of those things and sell them on Facebook. Now let me show you how I do this. You can come here and just type in business logos, just like that. Wait for it to load. So yes, these are the templates they have. As you can see, some of them are free. Like this one is free, there's nothing attached to it. But this one is paid, this one is free, this one is free. So now we're going to use the free ones, since we're working on a no budget rule. So you can use any one you want. I really like this one, and it's free. So it's a load. Now let me just be like, okay, I have a customer and he has maybe she has a clothing brand and I want to design a logo for her. I already have somebody reach out to me that, oh, I want to design a logo. I heard that you design logos. I saw your post on Facebook or something like that, and her name is Gina. So I'll keep this at G, and I'll just write something, Gina Warriors. So you just edit it like this, as I'm doing. Clothing. So yes, this is it. So you can write something here. I feel like writing something else. So you just come right here to text, and I'm going to choose this one. So now that we have, okay, I mistakenly took two, so I'm just going to delete. So now we have this one. First of all, we reduce the size. So you just basically edit this to how you want. Okay, edit this to how you want it. So yes, I am done editing it the way I want. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to download it. So to download, you come here and you click on it, and then you click on download. It will give you a set of options. Since we want it in a picture format, I would advise you to go with PNG, and then you just click on download, and your image will be saved to your device, your laptop, your phone, whatever. and now you have your image. Now the next thing we have to do is to market this image. So one thing I do is that I come to Facebook groups for small businesses, because most of them might not have a logo and might want to have a logo and business cards and all of that. You can also design a business card, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be like small businesses. Maybe I want to target in Nigeria, you can decide to target somewhere else. So now this is a very good one. So now, as you can see, you first go through like what they are posting on the group, where the money is right now and how to get it. You just read through it. So when you're done, you join the group, and then you now come to write something, and then you click on photo and video because we downloaded our file as a photo. And then you can now write something like let me write something. So now I'm done. Look at what I wrote. I was like, having a business is one part, but letting people know about your business is another part. You know, some of you, when you want to advertise something, this is what we call copywriting. You just go like, we sell logos and everything. No, that's not how to advertise things. This is how to advertise things. So you can see the write-up I wrote here. You can copy or change it to the way you want, edit it, just follow this pattern. So now you send this thing to about 10 groups, okay, 77, and then you can add more photos of designs you've done with Canva. But for the sake of this um video, we're just going to click on post, and like that people will comment about your post and all of that. And when they do you know how I know? Because this group is very, very active. Look at how many people are commenting. I'm interested, I need it, interested, I'm interested. Do you get? So see another one. Please, how can I get it in Lagos? WhatsApp number. But just look at this. So a lot of people are interested in buying things on this group. So yes, this is a group that you should be working on. And how do I know these groups? How do I identify these groups that they are the ones you're supposed to be working on? As you can see, the number one is their members. If they don't have up to 2K members, then you're wasting your time posting on that group. Number two is your posts. Okay, the number of posts they should have at least 3 posts in a day. So now, one thing I want to tell you is that it doesn't mean that for these people to see these things that they have to come all the way to this group. No, these things actually show on the feed of this, on the person's feed. So the person can just be scrolling through Facebook and see, do you get, and see your posts that you posted on the group. The person does not have to be in the group like directly. So yes, that is it. I hope you guys learned something from this, and I hope you implement it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because I show easier ways for you to make money in Nigeria without any startup. And if you want to learn graphic design, I also have a free course down there. You can click on it to get it. And the last thing is that if you really want to learn graphic design, you can get the manual I use to learn graphic design and learn it. So yes, thank you for your time, and do have a blessed day. Bye.